Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace this Mitsubishi key fob battery. Okay, this one is used for Outlander, Outlander Sport, Mirage and more. Different years, different models. Very easy. The battery you will need is a CR2032, and you can click on the link below to get it online, and a flathead screwdriver. So very easy. First we have to take the emergency key, which I did already, but let me show you again. So we pull this and we pull the key out. All right, now right here, as you can see, there is a slot. Okay, and I just put the flathead inside and I turn clockwise gently. No need to apply a lot of pressure. And it pops open. All right, here is the battery. Now I will just take a smaller screwdriver, and as you can see, you have a spot right here. Okay, so gently underneath the battery, and I pull it out. Okay, now this is a good battery, so I will use it again. To put it back in, face up, first we put this part with these two holders and we simply push. Once again, we use the screwdriver to take it out and then put it back, and we push. We put the cover back, make sure everything is okay, tight, and the emergency key back, and that's it. We're good to go. As you can see, it works, blinks, everything's good. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.